Let's turn it up. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop now. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop now. Don't stop, won't stop. Let's turn it up.
How you doing, family? Hey, hold on. Guess what? You came to the best freaking channel on this YouTube, man. You checked in to Mr. Transaction Engineer. Thank you dearly. Hey, hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up if you like the video. I know you're going to like it because this real live real estate, baby. Real live real estate. We're doing real deals in the field, baby. Real deals in the field. Stay tuned. What's up, family? Yo, man. I'm on the way out of town. Well, not really out of town. I'm still in Georgia. Oh, I'm looking the wrong way. I'm still in Georgia. But, me and my mom, we partnered on a wholesale deal. So she just retired from the ministry. She was an ordained minister for about 30 years, I think. So about to pull up on her. This her maybe second wholesale closing since she's been retired. So she's doing big things. She's the one actually got me into this business, into the real estate business back in I think '04 when I first went to my first seminar. So I thank you, Mama, for that. I love you. I really appreciate you for turning me on to real estate and sending me to my first seminar. Because hey, I don't know what I'll be doing right now, man. Real talk. So she helped change my life. I was once out there in the streets, man, lost, trying to find myself, And Mom sent me to the seminar, man, changed my life, man. Of course, I had to take the action to go and then put in the work to make it happen. Because none of it wouldn't happen without the action. So, hey, thank you, Mama. But hey, back to the story. I got a little personal on that one. But yeah, so we're going our second wholesale closing since she's been retired. She's been retired about maybe 6 months or so. We got some Airbnbs going too. So, hey man, I want you guys to check out day in life of a real estate investor who's actually doing the business. Now, normally, I could have, when you're out of town like this, you can actually do overnight the paperwork and all that stuff. But since my mom stay in the same town, I'm coming on up here, spend a little time with her today. So, hey guys. So normally, guys, when you're doing virtual wholesaling, you can have the docs overnighted to you from the attorney. They send the documents to you. You sign them, sign all the documents, have them notarized, send them back to the attorney office. You can do it a couple of days earlier, so it'll be there once the buyer get there. He signed off on the documents. You close like that. So if you don't need to go get your check immediately, you're out of town or you're in a different state, hey, just have them overnight the docs to you. Make it happen, baby. Just got the mom's crib, so getting ready to go and holler at mom. Go make this money, baby. It's money time. It's check time today, baby. It's check time. It's Friday. Got 2 closing today. I'm not going to the other one. It's out of town. It's with one of my students. Shout out to Brandon. Hey, man, you work hard. You deserve that check, baby. Brandon's going to make about $11,000 today on his deal. So you guys will see that video soon. Guys, I already did the video with Brandon. Check it out, man. It's very inspirational, man. Brandon, shout out to you, man. You're about 2 or 3 more deals away from leaving your job. God bless you. We love you, man. And let's go. Let's make this money. Mom, see, we're going to hit today on this one 13.5. So it's a nice little flip, especially in a population with only 40,000 people. And you constantly wholesale. So if we can wholesale up here in this small little town, man, you can wholesale anywhere, guys. As long as you got some buyers, as long as you got some construction going on. And either way it goes, somebody somewhere want to buy a house. So you get in the real estate business anywhere and make money, man. I know a guy in the population only like 50, 60,000. Jay Connor, he's making man, million dollars a year business. So it doesn't matter where you at, guys. It matters. What matters is your determination, your persistence, and a never give up attitude until you get that check. That's what matters. Look at my mom. Wake up with a We Buy Houses shirt on. She ready. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. What's up, guys? Down here, this one horse town. Get ready to close out a deal, baby. Mr. Transaction. Close anywhere, baby. Any weather. Any weather. Look like it's gonna rain today. Literally. All in my business.
The other one on the other side, she died.
But if you do, you send it to that.
Send it to who?
To us.
Okay.
It'll be theirs to pay the whole bill. You're in essence giving them credit to
Hard, it's hard. Even though that house is messed up, run down, you work, whatever, that you grew up in it.
Wow.
That's our home, that's our property. And I'm not the one who's, really poor, but he was really poor. But one of them is like a half sister. She used to do whatever, so she was getting completely out of it. We took care of that a long time ago, make sure it was in my name and all that kind of stuff. It's hard.
So y'all grew up in it
We
as
grew
little
up
babies?
in that house. We grew up, yes, that property, we grew up. And here I am now, 66 years old? Yes. And my brother, he's like,
Okay, we'll talk about I got to be at the hospital in 15 minutes.
So Miss Towns, we'd like to say thank you for the sale of your house today.
thank you for your help. I really do appreciate that. May God bless each and every one of you. And keep me in your prayers too, me and my family.
We sure will.
This is a blessing on both sides. We both thank the Lord. He's good.
Would you tell us how we came about doing this thing?
Yes, I happened to see the advertisement of Pastor Raymond, and I had been like searching for someone to buy a property, and I came across her. And the day I came across her, I guess the good Lord just showed me the way to her, and it's been a blessing ever since. I thank the Lord.
How long did it take from the time you signed it on the contract to closing today?
I said maybe about a couple of weeks. Didn't take long at all.
Okay. Well, thank you.
It didn't even take a week. We listed it the 17th of April.
What's the day? The
26th.
Okay, almost a week. Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. God bless you. We really appreciate you. We actually gave her guys an extra $2,000 on the deal and paid the closing costs. It's a sweet deal. Hey, we closed it out in 7 days. But now, remember, guys, we're getting into the second closing. We closed with the seller first. We're going to close with the end buyer second. Now, some attorneys will fund that first transaction with the end buyer money. Some attorneys won't. You got to bring the funds in yourself and close it out. So you can get a private lender, or if you got the funds, you can fund it yourself. So every attorney is different. Every state is different. It varies, but it's usually the same across the board. But check with a real estate attorney and make sure, guys, that they do wholesale. They do wholesaling. Make sure of that. Let's get it. So, guys, one closing down. We just closed the front side with the seller. The buyers are on the way. This should be it shortly. So it's a very sensitive situation. It was actually a probate deal. The lady, the parents died about 3 years ago, but they kept the house in the family, so they put some tenants in the property. Tenants dogged the property out. The property is in really bad shape. We're gonna go by there today. I haven't even saw the property. haven't seen the property, so we're gonna go by there and get some footage for you. But we're gonna get this second closing first, then we're gonna go by the property. That's one good thing about wholesaling real estate, especially virtually. You don't even have to be there. Stay tuned.
Let's turn it up. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop now. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop. Don't stop, won't stop, can't stop. Don't stop, won't stop. Let's turn it up.